right, folks, so we're going to make a different version of an avocado guacamole. I spent a lot of time in Asia and worked with Iron Chef Morimoto, and this is one of the tricks that we did to stabilize the guacamole from it oxidizing. Okay, I'm going to start with an avocado. Chef, how do you clean an avocado? It's actually pretty easy, as long as you get the handle of it. You put it this way down. If you need to, you cut the end off so it's stabilized. Then you rock it around and you open it up. That's simple. Get rid of the seed, just like that. I hand that to my assistant. He helps me out. And then I take another avocado, we score it. Like that. Spoon. Scoop. Pretty simple. Okay, so now we have our avocado. We're going to break it up into smaller pieces. Here's the fun part. We're going to take the juice from one of our trees in the back. We're going to take half of a lime. Okay. Secret ingredient, just like Iron Chef. Okay, this is sweet chili sauce, maypois. I'm going to add a little bit of this. This is what's going to help it keep it from oxidizing. Okay. We add a little bit of olive oil to stabilize it. We're going to kind of beat this up a little bit, but we want to keep the avocado in bigger pieces so it's identifiable to the guest, right? So, you know, I hate getting avocado or guacamole and you don't know what's in it. Okay, so that's what it will look like. We're gonna add some fresh salt and pepper, cracked pepper. And we're gonna let this sit in the side. Orange juice, lime juice, we're gonna add our pomegranates. Chef, how the heck do I get the seeds out of this darn thing? I'm gonna show you. So we're all gonna pretend that 2020 was here. Okay. And all the seeds will fall right out. Okay? That's how simple it is. All right, now we have our juices. We're gonna add olive oil, salt and pepper. We're gonna marinate some heirloom tomatoes for garnish in our vinaigrette. And we give this nice little toss. And we're gonna let this sit right here for 1 second. We got our pomegranates, our marinated tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes. We're gonna add, for garnish, on top of the avocado toast, white Belgian endive, some amazing chervil that we got out of the herb garden right around the corner, fresh basil right around the corner here in the garden. We're going to pick it. We're going to add some fresh chives. We as well got them here in the garden. And we're going to kind of delicately toss these guys all together. Okay? And again, we're going to take this and we're going to put it to the side. Once we get the toast nice and brown, we're going to put it on the plate. Okay, our churro is going to cook the fresh hen egg that we just got about 5 minutes ago from the garden. We are going to start assembling this while he's cooking the egg. So, avocado. We're going to put a piece of basil on both. We're going to put some endive on both. We're going to garnish with some tomatoes. Well,
That's it. It's all done.
we're gonna put some chervil underneath. And the chives on top. So, and don't forget to garnish with your pomegranate seeds. So this one here is gonna be our vegan option. And then this one here will be the one with the grilled, the sauteed hen egg. Okay, I'm sorry, put a little chive on that one. We're gonna garnish with some toasted pumpkin seeds that we've marinated in lime and chayote. And some Oaxaca cheese. There you go. It's our first plate to the Tucson Botanical Garden. Coming soon. I hope you enjoy it.